Hi class, and welcome to Managing Organizational Systems and Complexity. I'm Dr. Payam Sadat, the Director and Designer of the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration program. Over the next 10 weeks, we will go on a journey together to enhance our understanding of complex systems and learn how to properly analyze and manage these systems. Before I share some details with you about this class, I would like to zoom out a bit to help you see how this course fits into the big picture and into the goal-oriented design of the BSBA program. As most of you are aware, the final class that you will complete in our program is called Strategic Management. From the Business Dynamics class, which is one of the first courses in the program, you may recall that we use Fred David's strategic management model and cover key parts of it in various classes in an attempt to gradually prepare you for the strategic management class. For example, in the Business Dynamics class, we covered the external audit component of David's model by learning about the external environment, or the VUCA world, and its many forces that affect organizations. Now, to take a step further in David's model, in this class, we are going to primarily focus on the internal audit. This component of David's model mainly deals with analyzing, assessing, and understanding a company's internal operations and systems in terms of how well each part is working, and more importantly, how all the components work together as a whole system to fulfill the external demands. As you should know by now, a comparison between a company's internal systems and its external environment will reveal to us what needs to be done to better align the organization with its external demands, an alignment or degree of congruence that will determine business success. So, the internal and external audits or assessments are two key steps that must be completed in the phase of a strategy formulation, and we can clearly see this in David's model. I hope this big picture helps you better understand the role and position of this class along with its contributions to strategic management. Now, let's talk a little about the structure and design of our class. From a general perspective, this course represents an adhesive agent that merges the highlights of many classes that you've already taken. This integration of vital concepts is meant to create and offer to you a cohesive body of knowledge and toolbox that will enhance your analytical thinking and strategic decision-making abilities. Looking at the course outline, you will notice that the contents are organized into two main categories. 1. What to manage and why, and 2. How to manage, with an emphasis on managing complex systems. Focusing on the first section, what to manage and why, as I just mentioned, our main objective in this class is to learn about a company's internal systems. So obviously, we'll be talking about components and functions that make up these internal systems, such as management, marketing, finance, accounting, production and operations, R&D, and management information systems. I hope you can now see why you have already taken many classes that directly relate to this list of disciplines. Focusing on the second section, how to manage, well, as you may recall from some of your classes such as Business Dynamics, Organizational Behavior and Leadership, and Business Communications, we refer to a collection of many interconnected parts that dynamically interact with one another as complex systems. Looking back at our list, it's evident that almost all these internal systems represent complex systems because they consist of so many parts and so many connections among their parts. For example, when you look at the area of operations, you'll notice the numerous components and connections that exist within this domain, which explains why the area of operations as a whole should be perceived, analyzed, and managed as a complex system. So, because the majority of a company's internal systems are in fact complex systems, in the second half of this class, we are going to talk about a wide range of methods, models, approaches, tools, and techniques that help to analyze and manage complex systems. Since we have already covered many relevant principles in previous classes, we'll just quickly revisit some of these key concepts to make sure that we move towards learning the new materials with a strong baseline and background knowledge. I hope the information that I just provided to you is helpful. Let's begin this journey together and help one another master the art of analyzing and managing our company's internal systems with respect to external demands, and formulate effective strategies to better align our organization with its external environment.